What is the average net worth by age, and how much should you have to be considered average? For Americans in their 20s, the average net worth is around $30,000, with the median value is between $8,000 and $10,000. The median value is the value that is located exactly in the middle when you sort a value in order. So, if you line up 100 people in order of their wealth, the property of the 50th ranked person is the median. If you have the median value of wealth, that means that half of the people your age have more than you do, and half have less than you do. In 30s, the average net worth increases to about $91,300, and the median value is $44,000. To be in the top 25%, you'd need at least $165,000, and to be in the top 10%, more than $410,000. In 40s, the average net worth is about $316,000. To be in the top 10%, you'd need over $1 million. From the 40s onward, the gap between average and the top tiers becomes quite significant. In 50s, the average is estimated to be between $500,000 and $600,000, while top 10% hold at least $1,600,000. So, how much do you need to increase your net worth to keep up with these averages? In your 20s, an average annual growth rate of about 12% is needed. In 30s, this increases to 13%, and in 40s and 50s, around 6% growth per year is required. To achieve these increases, simply saving your salary may not be enough. It's essential to have an effective investment strategy. Starting to invest early and leveraging the power of compound interest are the key. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe. We, MTL, are a group of mathematicians and economists. We're going to keep sharing helpful investment tips with our subscribers. Thank you for watching.